Imagine waking up, grabbing a cup of coffee, and seeing that your bank account grew overnight without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But it doesn't have to be. Remember what Warren Buffett said? If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Well, today we're diving into the world of passive income, how you can make money while you sleep. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start building your own streams of passive income. If you find value in today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. So if you're ready to get started, I'm definitely ready. Let's go.
On the night I was born, the rain was pouring, God was crying, lightning struck, power outage, sparks was flying, the real one's here.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. In our previous videos, we've talked about saving, budgeting, and investing. Today, we're stepping into the world of passive income, one of the most powerful ways to achieve financial freedom. We'll discuss what passive income is, why it's important, and some creative ideas to get you started. So, let's get into it. First, let's clarify what passive income is. Passive income is money earned with minimum effort. Unlike your 9-to-5 job where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or simply relax. It's about putting in some effort up front and then reaping the rewards over time. Examples include rental income, dividends, royalty, and many more. Passive income is crucial because it can provide financial stability, help you achieve financial goals faster, and give you the freedom to live life on your terms. It's about working smarter, not harder. All right, now that we know what passive income is, let's talk about why it's a game changer for your financial future. Passive income is a game changer for several reasons. 1, financial security. It provides a steady stream of income, reducing your reliance on a single paycheck and giving you a safety net. 2, time freedom. With passive income, you have more time to pursue hobbies, spend time with your loved ones, or even travel the world. 3, wealth building. It accelerates your wealth building journey, allowing you to achieve financial goals faster and potentially retiring early. Number 4, inflation hedge. Passive income can help protect against inflation by providing a continuous flow of money that can grow over time. Number 5, diversification. It diversifies your income sources, reducing risk and increasing your financial stability. Building passive income stream takes effort and patience, but the long-term rewards are well worth it. So how do you get started with passive income? Here are some creative ideas to help inspire you. Let's explore some creative passive income ideas that can help you start earning while you sleep. 1, real estate rentals. Invest in real estate properties and earn rental income. This requires upfront investment and management, but can provide steady cash flow. 2, dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks and earn regular dividends. This is a great way to build wealth over time with relatively low effort. 3, peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms and earn interest. This can be a higher risk option, so diversify your investments. Number 4, create an online course. Share your expertise by creating an online course. Once it's made, you can earn passive income from course sales. Number 5, write a book or an ebook. If you enjoy writing, consider publishing a book or ebook. Royalties from sales can provide ongoing passive income. Number 6, and perhaps one of my personal favorites, create a YouTube channel. If you enjoy making videos, start a YouTube channel. With enough subscribers and views, you can earn ad revenue and sponsorships, which is absolutely awesome. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel and earn commissions on sales through your affiliate links. Number 8, high yield savings accounts or CDs. While the returns are lower, high yield savings accounts and certificates of deposits or CDs can provide a safe and steady passive income stream. Number 9, invest in a business. Invest in a small business or startup and earn a share of the profits. This can be riskier, but potentially very rewarding. Number 10, Create a blog or website. Start a blog or website. Build an audience and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products. You want to choose the ideas that align with your interests, skills, and resources. And remember, building passive income takes time and effort up front, but pays off in the long run. Now let's talk about some steps you can take to start building your passive income streams. Building a passive income requires a strategic approach. Here are some steps to get you started. 1. You want to identify your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with passive income. Are you looking for financial security? Do you want to retire early? Or do you just want some extra spending money? Number 2, assess your resources. Evaluate your time, skills, and financial resources to choose the best passive income ideas for you. Number 3, you want to start small. Begin with 1 or 2 passive income streams and gradually expand. This allows you to manage your efforts efficiently. Number 4, you want to educate yourself. Learn about the passive income streams you're interested in through books, courses, or online resources. Number 5, and most importantly, take action. Start implementing your passive income ideas. Don't get stuck in the planning phase. Take concrete steps to start earning. Number 6, you want to monitor and adjust. Regularly review your passive income streams and make adjustments to optimize your earnings and minimize risk. Number 7, you want to reinvest your earnings. Reinvest your passive income to build additional streams and grow your wealth even faster. Remember, consistency and patience are key to building successful passive income streams. Now, before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about passive income. Here are some common questions I get about passive income. Number 1, is passive income really passive? While passive income requires less ongoing effort than a traditional job, it still requires initial work and occasional maintenance. The second question I get, how long does it take to build passive income? Well, the honest answer to that, it varies depending on the income stream, your level of effort, but it typically takes months or years to build significant passive income. Number 3, can anyone build passive income? The answer to that is astounding yes. With the right mindset, planning, and effort, anyone can build passive income streams. Number 4, how much money do I need to start? Another it depends question. It basically depends on the income stream. Some require significant upfront investments like real estate, while others, such as affiliate marketing, can be started with minimum cost. Now, if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. All right, let's wrap up with some final thoughts and a quick recap. As we wrap up, remember, building passive income is about working smarter, not harder. By diversifying your income streams and leveraging your skills and resources, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and strategies. Also, in my last video, I talked about how you can build wealth one house at a time using smart real estate investing strategies. If you haven't seen this video, you are definitely in for a treat. So I'll go ahead and leave that video for you at the end screen so you can head on over and check that out. Well, folks, that's all I have for you today. And as always, I love you. God loves you. He smiles when he sees you, and he sees you all the time, so he's always smiling. So why aren't we? I appreciate you guys tuning in, and then we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless each and every one of you. Gone.